Alright people, listen up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
I'm sorry for coming late for today. I very love this topic for today. How do we have to go to Muslim or Muslimah nowadays? Alright, as you know, nowadays people, not only women but also men, do not care about Muslim nowadays. When they are just Muslim, that's his religion, of their religion, they don't know about Tawheed and then Fiqh and then Tafsir. And then how to read the Quran very good. Talking about that, I got a friend, when I asked, for my friend to come to Muslim school or Islamic region there, you know what? My friend refused me. My friend turned me down because rejecting me because they are still thinking Zikr I remember God very important. But nowadays people don't care about that. But talking about how to be a Muslim or Muslimah nowadays, to be in our inside, in our heart, how to be a Muslim or Muslimah, to be a good way. For the first time, we must know God. If we are know God, Allah SWT, we are happy, always be happy in our life nowadays. At a time, we always remember what Holy Quran says. We always read that. We always remembering what Muslim scholars say. لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ. You know what, man? You know what? If you don't know anything, don't remember, always something. The important thing, Quran and then Hadith, this is the best way. Muslim scholar, the best way in our life. The point is, I think, always we get Muslim and Muslim, we always do some good thing, and then show up any attitude, and then to be a good teacher, then always da'wah for your friend, your classmate, your neighborhood, and then your friend that, even though every day, every night, every single day, or every single morning, you know what? This is very awesome, my friend. Alright, speaking up. Any question?